Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can create a velocity edit in CapCut automatically. Okay, here I have imported my video to my CapCut application, and to make a velocity edit automatically with CapCut effect, first of all, we have to add audio to our CapCut project. We can tap on add audio, tap on sounds, and I'm just going to add music from the CapCut. I'm going to select the beat category, and I'm going to add this music. Wait guys, I'm afraid of the copyright, so I'm going to make it mute and tap on this plus button to add the music to your CapCut project. Then we're gonna tap on the video, tap on the style option, and select the velocity. Okay, and here we can select the flash velocity. Okay, and just wait until the process completed. Just wait until 100%. Okay, and now the style has been applied to our video, and I'm going to play the video to show you the final result. Okay, this is the result, guys. Okay. Alright guys, and that's how we can create a velocity edit automatically in CapCut application. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.